Hello everyone, I'm in Rome, the capital of Italy, in this very nice place in Prati. And what is going to happen is that I am puncturing a MacBook battery. So this time I have a 2012 model, which I never actually had in my life, because usually those batteries die before they actually inflate, but this one is slightly inflated, not that much. It was just causing some problems with the trackpad, and I also forgot to get the like 3 screwdriver. They have a different screw, not a normal Phillips nor Torx. So I couldn't take the battery out, so I took myself outside of the place. And what I'm gonna do is I don't have my usual plastic tools, so I'm using a metal tool, which means that I'm in great danger. And that is because I might ignite a spark by doing this with a metal object. So this is not advised. You shouldn't do that. But I'm a crazy Italian guy, and I am going to try anyway and see what happens. And maybe start a fire, I don't know. So here it is. As you can see, I already took out a lot of plastic. There was some kind of rubber protection around the battery also. So the first pillow is deflated, but I will also have to get the middle one, because it's the middle one that is causing problems for the trackpad. But that's a beginning. So I'll leave the video now. But as always, you can puncture batteries. It's safe. Just tape it back when you do it. Put some tape on here. It will also smell quite good, which is strange. It smells like some kind of perfume, and it is doing that now. And this kind of battery is different. It's much harder because it has a lot of plastic housing around it, so plastic and rubber housing, so it's different, but you can do that, as you can see now, no issues. Okay, I managed to also puncture the second battery back here, and I put the tape on. The system is charging and working, and fun fact is that apart from the fact that now the trackpad works, but the battery doesn't even show any danger sign. It's danger. It doesn't even show as you have to change it. So there's no alerts. It has it's charging and 486 cycles. 486 cycles. And the condition is normal. So that works fine. And the trackpad is back to work with a proper surface, flat surface. That's all. Ciao ciao.